computer programming, right? Programming language, and how ineffective it is when it comes to disambiguating what is pervasively known as ambiguity in linguistic models. Linguistic models is pervasive as ambiguity, or what is a noun and a verb. And so what I did was I published, and I do two things parallel. I would always publish 27 to 40 chapters, and then I'll do a lecture on it. And this particular area I work in, transdisciplinary, is called, I came up with a concept called linguistic organic search engine theory, which is a taxonomic approach to the disambiguating ambiguity. So you have cross-disciplinary. I may explain one discipline within the context of another, using physics to explain music. Multidisciplinary, I may take psychopathology, pathology, parapsychology, philosophy, some areas of physics, cognitive neuroscience into consideration. Transdisciplinary is where I converge computer programming and linguistic models, how programming utilizes the arbitrary aspect of language. So language is predicated on a high level of arbitrariness, primarily when you look at the word cup, right? Philosophically speaking, the whole area of semiotics, sign and symbols. There's no correlation or immutable deductive laws that state that there's a correlation between the sound or the word we attribute to the physical attributes. I may fidget and I may stutter at times because I'm trying to condense this video down. So linguistic is predicated on a high level of arbitrariness, and we see where on a fundamental level it is governed and it's